In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record fixed assets in QuickBooks Online, step by step. Let's get right into it. Start by logging in to QuickBooks Online in your web browser. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the gear icon. Under the Your Company section, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of every account your books use, and it's where you'll create the record for your asset. At the top right of the Chart of Accounts, click New to add a new account. In the Account Type dropdown, select Fixed Assets. This tells QuickBooks that what you're adding is a long-term item your business owns and uses, not a short-term expense. Next, in the Detail Type dropdown, pick the option that best fits the asset you're recording, such as vehicles, furniture and fixtures, or computer equipment. Choose the closest match to how you plan to track and report that asset. If you're unsure which to pick, aim for the category you'd use on financial statements and check with your accounting professional if needed. Give the account a clear, specific name in the Account Name field. For example, use Office Laptop, Warehouse Forklift, or Company Vehicle. Good naming helps you find the asset later and makes reports easier to read. You can also add a description to capture details like a model number or purchase information. If the asset already exists on your books, you can optionally enter an opening balance and an as of date. Use the as of date to indicate when that balance should be effective, such as the date you started using QuickBooks or the beginning of your fiscal year. If you're going to record the purchase through an expense or check after this, leave the opening balance blank and let that transaction establish the value. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. You've now created the fixed asset account and recorded it in your Chart of Accounts. Here's a helpful tip for future purchases. When you buy a fixed asset, click the plus New button, choose Expense or Check, and select the fixed asset account you just created as the category. This posts the purchase to the asset on your balance sheet instead of your expense accounts. Attach the receipt or invoice to keep a clean paper trail. A quick reminder: depreciation is typically recorded separately, often with journal entries based on your depreciation schedule. Keep your original cost in the asset account and track accumulated depreciation in a separate account. That's how to record fixed assets in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.